Hello there, it's your girl StaceNthePlace, and in this video we will be talking about Oh Cherry from the new Everyday Luxuries collection from Bath & Body Works. So this scent right here is Black Cherry, Sheer Magnolia, and Tonka Bean. And it's pretty good. You know, I have no complaints. I'm not a huge cherry lover, as we've already just discussed in previous videos, but I can still appreciate the beauty in Oh Cherry. So this is a very sweet cherry, I would say. It's something about the tonka bean that it sweetens it up a little bit. When you first spray it on, it almost gives you like this singeing medicinal scent. And I feel like that's kind of more so because of the alcohol within here when you're first spraying it. Because at first I was like, what is this? And then as it settled a little bit, I was like, oh, okay, it's not as medicinal as I thought it was going to be, but it is very sweet and fruity. I feel like if there was a scent that I would say or give the award of being the most authentic cherry, a bowl of cherry scent, I would give it to Oh Cherry for sure, because that's what this is. So, of course, I had to put on my little red ensemble to match. I know you probably thought that I was wearing the same dress as before and got it dyed and all that stuff. But no, I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. If something fits well and I like it, I get it in every color. Anyhow, back to the scents. So, that's the vibe. It's just it's sweet. It's a bowl full of cherries. So, if you enjoy cherry at all, you're going to want to pick up Oh Cherry for sure. Now, for the comparisons that just might be the thief of joy, we are going to jump into Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. Now, are these two very similar? I would say yes. Could I say that this is a dupe for this one? I'm going to say yeah. It's pretty close. The only thing that I feel like it's missing out on is it doesn't give me as much of the almond undertones as Lost Cherry does. But it's pretty darn close. I mean, if you want to save some money, I say go for it. There's also a Finery dupe that's very similar to it as well at Target. I believe that one, I can't remember the exact name, but it comes in red. So hopefully it's not going to be that hard to find. But I would say that, you know, if you enjoyed this scent or you want something close to this, this one's an easy pickup. Another thing that some people have been wondering is Sweetheart Cherry versus Oh Cherry. So I'm going to say that these two, they're similar but very different. So the Sweetheart Cherry, for me personally, the pistachio is very forward. This is wild cherry, crushed pistachio, and whipped vanilla. I know it's called Sweetheart Cherry, but it really should be Sweetheart Pistachio because it's far more pistachio, it's far more nutty in my personal experience than Oh Cherry. Oh Cherry is more like your classic cherry. So hopefully that helps anyone who's trying kind of in between these two. I think honestly, if you already have Sweetheart Cherry, it's not going to hurt to pick up Oh Cherry if you want a more pure, straight up cherry scent. Okay. So, and if anyone purchased Sweetheart Cherry hoping that it was going to be, you know, a sweet little cherry bomb, then Oh Cherry will hopefully, you know, hopefully will get you right, I think, at least in my opinion. But anyhow, thank you so much for hanging out. Please take a hot second to subscribe below so you can check out the other scents from the Everyday Luxuries collection. And I will check you out in the next video.